Top 5 apps like ModeSenscom review that actually work today. If you love fashion, but hate hunting for the best deals, you won't believe what happens next. There are apps that track designer items, compare prices and even alert you to sales. Most people get this wrong, but these 5 apps actually work. First, List. List aggregates thousands of fashion stores, letting you compare prices, discover trends and set alerts for price drops. Many users save 20–40% on their favorite brands. Second is ShopStyle. This app allows filtering by brand, size or color with price comparison tools to make sure you're getting the best deal. Alerts notify you when items go on sale. Number 3 is Farfetch. Farfetch connects buyers with boutiques worldwide. Its app offers exclusive pieces, sales and shipping options that make luxury shopping convenient. Fourth, we have Net-a-Porter. The app highlights new arrivals, trending items and flash sales. Users appreciate its curated experience and seamless checkout. Finally, The Hunt. This app allows users to find items from photos or screenshots and get price comparisons across multiple retailers, making it perfect for finding fashion inspiration at a bargain. In conclusion, why ModeSenscom is great, these 5 apps help you shop smarter, track prices, and discover the best fashion deals globally. With them, you can stay stylish without overspending.